Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about LCM, that is least common multiple. In this lecture we will discuss the definition of LCM and some method to find out the LCM by simple method and the prime factorization method. And we will also discuss the definition of prime numbers and the definition of composite number. Let's start with definition of LCM. What is the definition of LCM? LCM is the smallest multiple of two or more numbers. That means if we take two numbers, which is the smallest multiple of two numbers is called the LCM. Let's take some example. First example, find out the LCM of 3 and 5. You can see 3 and 5 are the small numbers. Then you can see also how we can find out the LCM for small numbers. We can use this method. First we write the multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and so on. We can write the multiple of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50, so on. Now write down the common multiple of 3 and 5. Now what is the common multiple of 3 and 5? First is the common multiple of this 15 and second common multiple is 30. Now common multiple are 15 and 13. In these multiples, 15 is the smallest common multiple of 3 and 5. That is the LCM. Now you can see 15 is the smallest common multiple of 3 and 5. So this is the LCM for 3 and 5. Let's take another example. Find out the LCM for 21, 7 and 42. You can see 42 is the multiple of 7 and 21 also. And 42 is also the multiple of itself. Then 42 is the LCM of 21, 7 and 42. You can say that in the three numbers, which is the biggest number of these three numbers and also the multiple of the other two numbers is also the LCM. Let's take third example, that is 23 and 17. Both are the large number and also the prime number. Now what is a prime number? Prime number is a positive number which is greater than 1 that has no positive divisor other than 1 और itself. Means prime number वो number होते हैं जो अपने आप से और 1 के अलावा किसी और से divide नहीं हो पाते. For example, let's take 3. 3 is divided by 3 and 1. Same 5. 5 या अपने आप से divide होता है या 1 से divide होता है. Both are the prime number. In the same way, 23 and 17 are also prime number because 23 is divided by 23 or 1 and in the same way 17 is divided by 17 or 1. Now how we can find out the LCM of 23 and 17? When we have both numbers are prime number, then the product of these numbers is the LCM. Let's try. 17 3s are 51, 17 2s are 34 plus 5 39. This is the LCM for 23 and 17. Let's take another example. Here 13 and 22. 13 is a prime number and second is the composite number. 22 is a composite number. What is the composite number? Composite numbers are those numbers which are not prime numbers. You can say also numbers which have more than 2 factors. कंपोजिट नंबर्स वो नंबर्स होते हैं जो प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, दैट मीन्स जिनके 2 से ज्यादा फैक्टर्स हैं. द नंबर्स which have more than 2 factors are called composite number. That means 22 has more than 2 factors, then 22 is the composite numbers and 13 is a prime number. Now what is the LCM of 13 and 22? In the same way, if we have one prime number and other is the composite number, then LCM is the product of these numbers. 13 2s are 26 and 13 2s are 26 plus 228. Now 286 is the LCM for 13 and 22. Now example 5. Find out the LCM of 13, 91 and 7, and the suspense is I am not going to solve this exercise. This is for your practice. Do this exercise and put your answers in comment box. Now we discuss the prime factorization method. अभी तक हमने जो मेथड किया है वो सिंपल मेथड है. सिंपल मेथड से आपने LCM कैसे फाइंड आउट किया है. अब हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड सॉल्व करेंगे. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड आप स्मॉल नंबर्स के लिए या लार्ज नंबर के लिए यूज कर सकते हो, बट पर्टिकुलर हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड को लार्ज नंबर्स के एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करने के लिए करते हैं. फर्स्ट वी राइट द प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ द नंबर्स ऑफ 450 एंड 220. Now write down the prime factors of 450. It is divisible by 2 because in the end we get 0 as the ones place. Divide by 2 we get 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Now sum of the digit is 9, then it is also divisible by 3. Divide by 3 we get 3 7s are 25 and 5s are 50. Again it is divisible by 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 25. 25 is divisible by 5, 5 5s are 25 and again 1. In the same way we can write the prime factors of 220. Divide by 2, 1 1 0 and 2, 2 5s are 10 and same 5. Divide by 5 we get 11 and divide by 11 we get 1. Here 2, 3, 5 are the prime number. In the same way 2, 5, 11 are also prime numbers. Now factors of 450 are 2, 3, 3, 5 and 5. In the same way factors of 220 is equal to 2, 2, 5 and 11. Now what is the LCM of 20 and 450? First write down the common multiples, common factors and then write down the uncommon factors. Now common factors are 2, 5. Write down the common factors and the uncommon factors are 3, 3, 5, 2 and 11 and multiply these numbers. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 3s are 90 and 95s are 450, 450 multiplied to 900 and 900 multiplied by 11, 9. This is the LCM for 450 and 220. In the same way, we can use the prime factorization method for 3 numbers and we can use one row to find out the LCM for 3 numbers, and we also use one row for the 2 numbers also. Now you can see 64, 48 and 36, 3 numbers are divisible by 2. Now 64 divided by 2 we get 32, and 48 divided by 2 we get 24, 36 divided by 2 we get 18. Now we have 32, 24 and 18. Again these numbers are divided by 2. 16 now divided by 2, 24, then we get 12, and when we divide 18 by 2 we get 9. Now you can see 16, 12 and 9. Here you can see 16 and 12 both numbers are divided by 2, but 9 is not divisible by 2. But you can write 2 here and divided 16 and 12 by 2. We get 8 and 6 as quotient, and write down 9 as it is. Again you can see 8 and 6 are divided by 2, 4 and 2 3s are 6 and 9. Now we have 4, 3 and 9. Here you can see that 3 and 9 both numbers are divided by 3 and 4 is divisible by 2. Now we divided these numbers by 3. Put 4 as it is, and 3 divided by 3 we get 1. 3 divided by 9 divided by 3 we get 3. Again divided by 4, 1, 1. 3 divided by 3 we get 1, 1, 1. Now what is the LCM of 64, 48 and 36? LCM is the product of these numbers. 2, 2, 2, again 2 and 3, 4, 3. Now 4 is not a prime number. You can write this 4 in the prime number form as this, and you can find the LCM in the same way. Now multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, and 48 multiplied with 12. We get 12 8s are 96, and 12 4s are 48. 48 plus 9 we get 57 as an answer. Now 576 is the LCM for 64, 48 and 36. We learned various methods to find out the LCM. Let's take one exercise for your practice. Practice is important whatever you learned. Find out the LCM 42, 12 and 54. Do this exercise and put your answer in comment box. If you like this video and for more learning, please share, subscribe. Thank you.